In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chroma Key in Canva. Chroma Key is just a fancy term for removing a solid colored background, usually green or blue, so you can place your subject onto any backdrop you want. This is super useful for YouTube videos, social content, presentations, or whenever you want that professional floating subject look without complicated software. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to use the effect. Choose a size that fits your project, like a YouTube thumbnail, a video format, or a custom size. Starting with the right canvas size will save you time later so you don't have to resize everything. Next, import the footage or image you want to apply Chroma Key to. Click on the Upload section, then upload your file from your computer. Give Canva a moment to process the file, and once it's ready, drag it onto your canvas. Adjust the size and position so your subject is framed the way you want it in the final scene. Now we're ready to remove the background. Select the clip or image on your canvas. In the top toolbar, click on Edit Image if it's a still image, or Edit Video if it's a video clip. Look for the background removal option. In Canva, this is usually called Background Remover. Click it, and Canva will automatically detect the subject and try to erase the background. Wait a few seconds for the effect to process. Once it's done, you'll see that the solid background is gone, leaving just your subject. Take a moment to zoom in and check the edges. If the removal isn't perfect, you can use the built-in brush tools to refine it. Use the erase brush to remove leftover bits of the background, and the restore brush to bring back any parts of your subject that were accidentally removed. Take your time here, because clean edges make a big difference. After you're happy with the cutout, it's time to add your new background. This can be a solid color, a gradient, a photo, a video, or even a full scene you designed from scratch. Drag your background onto the canvas, then send it behind your subject using the Arrange options. Adjust the size, crop, and position so everything looks natural. Finally, play back your design if it's a video, or review the full layout if it's an image. Tweak colors, add text or graphics, and make sure your subject stands out clearly against the new background. When you're satisfied, export your design using the download button, choose the right format, and you're done.